To make deviled eggs, first place 6 eggs in a saucepan in a single layer. Cover the eggs with about 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters of water, then bring the water to a boil. When it starts to boil, cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and cook the eggs for an additional minute. Now, turn off the heat and let the eggs sit for about 15 more minutes. Rinse the eggs under cool water, then peel off the shells. Cut each egg in half lengthwise, and use a spoon to scoop the yolks into a bowl. Place the egg whites on a plate and set aside. To make the yolk filling, first mash the yolks into small crumbles using a fork. Then, add a 1/4 cup, 60 grams, of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, of white vinegar to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, of mustard, 1/8 teaspoon, 3/4 gram, of salt, and a dash of black pepper, and stir everything together. Finally, spoon the yolk filling into the egg whites and sprinkle paprika over the eggs, and enjoy.